Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to figure out how to do this problem. This is a very interesting one, which relates a function f with its inverse. So we want to know what is f inverse of 3 if f of x is given as this function. Well, what that really means is we want to know what x value of f corresponds to our f of x value to be 3. Because if 3 is the input for the inverse, it's actually the output for the original function f. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to set f of x equals to 3 and solve for x. Now, another way to solve this will be to actually compute the inverse function. So this is option 1. Another way you can do is to find the formula for f inverse of x, and then you're going to plug in the value 3 for x. So you'll have evaluate f inverse at 3. So that's how you would do it. But I think I'll leave that up to you. I'm going to do it using first option, where I take my formula f of x, set it equal to 3, and solve for the corresponding x value. So let's see how that's going to work out. So we're going to go ahead and take our function, which is 2 plus 6 minus x over x plus 5, and set it equal to 3. Since 3 is the input for the inverse, it's going to be the output for f of x. Now let's go ahead and solve this algebraically for x. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2 on both sides. That leaves me with 6 minus x over x plus 5 is equal to 1. And I multiply both sides by x plus 5. So that gives me 6 minus x is equal to x plus 5. And we start isolating for x. So I'm going to go ahead and add x on both sides. So that leaves me with 6 is equal to 2x plus 5. And now I can subtract 5 on both sides. And that leaves me with 1 is equal to 2x. And then we divide both sides by 2. So that gives us that x is equal to 1/2. So what that means is we know f of 1/2 will give us 3. So that means f inverse of 3, which we were looking for initially, will be the corresponding x value 1/2. So that's how you solve these type of problems.